to my project commerce. So this is the main page of the auctions website. So let's go straight into the requirements. So the first one is the models.py file. So aside from the class user, I've come up with class listing with all these attributes, as well as class bid and class comment. Okay, so moving on to the second requirement, which is create listing. We'll first create a super user. Super user. Okay, so Joseph sample.com password. Okay, so now that we have done that, we can go ahead and log into our main page. So I have to activate the website. Okay, that should work now. Okay, so now that I've logged in as the super user, we'll create a listing. So let's say we create a bear, soft toy, maybe we start at 598. Now this URL is optional, but I'm just going to provide an image for now, which is this URL. And I'm going to classify under toys, and I'm going to create it. So yeah, once this is done, and we have our bear on the main page. So going on to the active listing page, well, we're already at the main page. So we have a title, the current bid, and when was it created, description, and the category. Now I can go ahead to go to this listing page, which is the next requirement. And it says that since we're logged in, we can add this item to a watch list. And we can also, because we are the original creator of this list, so we can also place a bid or close this bid and add comment. So I'll demonstrate the watch list first. So I can add this to watch list. And then there'll be a notification. I can also remove it. Okay, and I should be able to bid on the item as well. So I'm going to put $6 this bid. So it's now $6. And also, if I put in maybe just $3, it's not going to work, and you must enter a higher bid. So that's the error checking. And of course, I can also close this bid as well. So I'm just going to quickly demonstrate if there's another person who has a higher bid than $6, and if I close the bid, what will happen to that person. So I'm just going to create a second user, maybe call Harry, and Harry at example.com, give it a password. Now Harry sees this there, and he's going to do okay, so this is also to demonstrate that if you are not the main poster, you cannot close the bid, so the button is not there. And I'm just going to put $9 for now. Okay, so currently there are 3 bids, and I'm just going to log out. So the main poster, which is Joseph, he's going to log in, and he saw that the highest bid is $9, and he says, okay, this is enough. He's going to close the bid. So closing this bid will land to this page, which says that the winner for this listing is Harry. And if I were to go ahead and log out and log in as Harry, then it says that I have won. So as a user, Harry, which is not the main poster, I have this notification. Okay, so one more thing is that I can go ahead and create another listing, and maybe an iPhone this time, and I'll just take this URL and put it under mobile, and create. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the comments. So a user can also comment as well. So I can say iPhone is really cool. Okay, and this will post the comment there as well. Okay, and lastly, the next category is the watch list. So I can add this to watch list, and if I hit over the watch list, it will be put under this watch list page. And then moving on to the categories, because right now I only have iPhone 11 as the active listing, so they'll be under here. Over there, just now I created a bear for one of the listing, and it was under toys, but because bear is no longer active since it was closed, so it will no longer appear on these categories as well. And now for the final part, which is the Django admin interface. Okay, so I can log in to, since I'm the super user, yeah, okay, so right now as I'm the super user, and these are the things I can change. So for example, we have bear, which was not active. iPhone 11, we can change all these statistics. Again, we can change the comment. There's only one. We can change if we really want to. We can delete and everything, as well as bits. So this 1000 was for the iPhone. We can change the bit here as well. The $9 was from Harry just now. So that's all. So thank you for your time.